Hello everyone, my name's Nancy and I'm with the Chino Valley Bible Sabbath Church in Chino Valley, Arizona. Today I'm going to show you how to make an immune boosting drink to help your system. This is a healthy nugget for you. The ingredients, as you see I've laid out here, are we're going to use raw honey, 2 tablespoons, and make sure it's raw. Organic apple cider vinegar, about a 1/4 cup of that. We're going to be using organic cayenne pepper, the juice of 3 lemons, and ginger root. You can buy this in the store, but you want to use just a small piece of it. Maybe this would make 3. So as you can see, I've peeled the ginger root, and then hot water, but you don't want it to be boiling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice up the ginger root into thin slices so that the blender can take care of it easily. And we're going to be using a high-powered blender today. You want one that is able to go at a very high speed so that you make sure that everything is liquefied adequately. And then we're going to juice the lemon so that we have really fresh lemon juice rather than using the reconstituted. Okay, I've chopped this up, so I'm going to add this to the blender. And now we're going to juice the 3 lemons, and I've pulled out most of the seeds already, so hopefully we don't get too many seeds. And I'm going to leave the pulp in with it. I do see some seeds, so I'm going to get those out here quickly. We don't want to add the seeds to the blender. This will give you just a little more than 1/4 of a cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. So not too many. That's it. And I'm going to add the lemon juice in. Remember to shake up your apple cider vinegar. And if you look at the label of the apple cider vinegar, it will say with the mother. That's the best kind to have. I've been using about a little less than a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. The hotter the better. It is more immune stimulating. So you can test it to your taste. And then I'm going to, this is a 1/8 of a cup, which is 2 tablespoons of the raw honey. And once I get the 2 tablespoons, I actually put in an extra squirt because I like it a little sweeter. I save the hot water for last because I actually rinse out the honey with the hot water to get all of the honey in there. And then here's the extra squirt. And we're ready to blend. You want to blend it for 30 to 60 seconds. And I'm using a blend tech today, and I'm using number 4, which does it for 48 seconds. I have been drinking this every day the whole last 6 months, and during this COVID season, and I haven't been sick at all. Been just fine. If you feel like you're starting to get ill, I would recommend drinking 1 cup, and then a couple of hours later another cup, and then as you think you need it. So we're using natural ingredients that God created, and I'd like to drink to your health. Thank you for watching.